Hello everyone. I hope you all are well and safe at your home. So today we are going to discuss about the central problems of an economy. So as we know, the basic economic activities of life includes the production, distribution and disposition of goods and services. So in the course of these activities, every society has to face scarcity of resources. Because of this scarcity, every society has to decide how to allocate the scarce resources. As we know, the resources are scarce, so we have to decide where to allocate the resources. And this leads to the following central problems that are faced by every economy. So, this mainly includes three central problems that are what to produce, how to produce, and for whom to produce. So, these three problems are called the central problems because these are the most basic problems of every economy, and all other problems revolve around them only. Under the microeconomics, these three problems are studied under the problem of allocation of resources. So, first we will see what is allocation of resources. So, allocation of resources refers to the problem of assigning the scarce resources in such a manner so that the maximum want of the society are fulfilled. Now, we will see these three problems deeply. So, first one is what to produce. This problem involves selection of goods and services to be produced and in what quantity. So, every economy has limited resources and thus cannot produce all the goods. So, production of one good or services usually means less of other goods. So, the problem of what to produce has two aspects. First one is what possible commodities to produce, and second one is how much to produce. So, an economy has to decide which type of good it should produce, like whether the consumer good or capital good or civil goods or war goods to be produced. Then, also, after deciding the type of good to be produced, an economy has to decide the right quantity of each commodity that is selected to be produced. It means it involves a decision regarding the quantity to be produced. Now, the second problem is how to produce. This problem refers to the selection of technique to be used for the production of the selected goods and services. So, generally, techniques are classified as labor intensive technique and capital intensive technique. In labor intensive technique, more labor and less capital is used, and in capital intensive technique, there is more capital and less labor utilization. Now we will see the third problem, that is for whom to produce. This problem relates to the distribution of goods and services that is selected among the individuals within the economy. It actually focuses on the selection of the category of people who will ultimately consume the goods. This problem decides whether to produce for poor people or the rich people. Since the resources are scarce in every economy, no society can satisfy all the wants of its people. Thus, a problem of choice arises. Goods are produced for those people who have the paying capacity. The capacity of people to pay for goods depends upon the level of income. It means this problem is concerned with the distribution of income among the factors of production. All those other problems are evolving around these three central problems of an economy. Thank you for watching. Do like, share, and subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon to get notified.